First of all, you have to access your Word app. I'll swipe up on my device. In the final search, I'll type Word. Then the Word app has display. I will tap on it for it to open. Okay, these are the documents I recently created on my mobile. I would like to work with any of them. So let me work with the one with the name change title. Change view. I'll tap on it for it to open. Then tap on the edit button for me to be able to make the changes I want on this document. Alright, this document has some contents. Let's assume that I want to break this document into sections from this last part of a page. Alright, so first of all, I'll just tap on the section I want to start the break from. You can see my cursor is already blinking here. The next step is to tap on the ribbon display options, which is the arrow that points up by the bottom right. So I'll tap on it. By default, I'm on the home tab, so I have to switch to layout before I can do anything about page break. Okay, and I will tap on the home, then select layout. Alright, under the layout are some commands I can work with, but our interest is on breaks. So I will tap on breaks. This will display some options. Alright, to me, because my interest is to break my document into sections. Under the section break, you can see I scroll down. Under the section breaks, I will tap on next page. Alright, immediately I do this, you can see now that this page has been broken into two different sections. Now, how do you now view this document to know that it has been broken into sections? It's simple. What you do is to double click at the header or the footer section of the page. Okay, so start at this point. I can double click here. Alright, you can see it has opened some part of this document telling that this is footer section 1, header section 2. So it's enough now with this information for you to know that this document has been broken into two different sections. If I want to find out if there are other sections and the document has broken into, I will scroll down or up. So this document has ended. So this is section 1. This is section 1. So it's just between section 1 and section 2. I hope this helps. Please do want to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.